Artificial intelligence is already reshaping the job market. But is your job safe? From cashiers to coders, the AI revolution is coming, and some roles are at serious risk. In this video, we break down which jobs AI is likely to automate, which ones are safe, for now, and what you can do to future-proof your career. Let's dive in. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT are changing how we write, design, analyze data, even how we think. Companies are already cutting costs using automation, and entire departments are being replaced by software. But this isn't just about job loss, it's about job transformation. So, which industries are in the crosshairs? Well, let's start with the obvious. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool, so it's not a surprise that companies in the business process outsourcing industry are feeling the heat. According to a recent report, one company alone has saved over $800,000 by using ChatGPT to automate customer service. But it's not just customer service reps who are at risk. The same report found that legal departments are also being cut with AI. By using tools like GPT-3 and AutoGPT, legal teams can automate contract reviews and save hours of time. And it doesn't stop there. The entire real estate industry is being disrupted by AI. From property valuation to mortgage applications, everything is being automated. Here are the jobs that will be replaced by AI, automation, and ChatGPT. First up, administrative roles. Think data entry, scheduling, and basic customer service. These are all tasks that AI can already do faster, cheaper, and with fewer errors than humans. Then we have retail and food service. Cashier jobs, order takers, and stock clerks are being replaced by smart kiosks and inventory bots. And even parts of journalism, graphic design, and software development are being automated by generative AI. So if your job is repetitive, rule-based, and doesn't require much human judgment, it's at risk. But there's good news. The more specialized and creative your job is, the safer you are. So if you're a doctor, a lawyer, an architect, or a writer, you're probably safe. For now. So, what jobs are safe in the age of AI? The ones that involve a lot of empathy, complex human interaction, and strategic thinking. Think therapists, teachers, nurses, social workers, basically anyone who works with people and helps them solve their problems. Also, safe are skilled trade jobs like electricians, plumbers, and mechanics. These jobs require physical problem-solving and improvisation, which AI can't do yet. And then there's creative leaders, researchers, and entrepreneurs. These jobs require a human touch that AI can't replace. And if you can use AI to your advantage, you're also likely to thrive. The key is to focus on developing skills that are hard to automate, like emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking. These are the skills that will keep you ahead of the curve and ensure that you're not replaced by robots anytime soon. Here's the twist. AI is not just destroying jobs, it's also creating them. We're already seeing new roles emerge like prompt engineers, AI ethicists, machine learning trainers, and human-AI collaboration designers. As these tools evolve, so will the need for people who know how to guide, supervise, and creatively apply them. The real winners in this AI revolution will be those who adapt fast and learn how to use AI as a superpower, not a threat. So, here's what you need to do. First, stay curious. Don't be afraid to experiment with new technologies and push your own boundaries. 2. Collaborate. Work with others to solve problems and create new things. And 3. Keep learning. The pace of change is accelerating. So make sure you're ready for what comes next. So, what can you do today to stay ahead of the curve? In 3 easy steps, you can future-proof your career and make sure that you're not left behind. Step 1, learn how to use AI tools in your field. Don't wait for the disruption. Get ahead of it. Learn how to use AI to your advantage. Step 2, focus on skills that AI can't easily replace, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. These are skills that will help you stand out from the crowd, and they're not going to be automated anytime soon. Step 3. Stay curious and flexible. The future belongs to the learners, not the know-it-alls. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn new things. Be open to change and don't resist it. AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for people who refuse to adapt. So don't be that person. If you want to learn more about how to stay ahead of the curve, check out our channel. We have a ton of resources there to help you level up your career. The AI revolution is here. Will you be replaced or reinvented? Let me know in the comments. Is your job safe from AI, or are you already adapting? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching.